Hi, I'm Priyanka Ganeriwal Alabadi, a wedding planner from Hyderabad. I run this company called Weddings and More, and we've been in business for the last 10 years. Weddings and More was my brainchild when I was getting married, and I realized that my dad was running from pole to pillar to get everything organized and for it all to look nice. For me to be happy, for my dreams to come true. And as a result, he just worked, and he didn't enjoy my wedding, and neither did I, because there was not one person who was coordinating everything. And as a result, I thought of this line wherein we could take your tensions while you party or you enjoy the most important part of your life. We've done more than 150 weddings in this city, and we do from both services and look. So if you're looking at a theme to create your wedding which is more important, we can do it. Or if it is the service aspect, we do it all. And while we have been in this industry, we've realized that if you didn't have an event manager by your side or a wedding planner, you could not do a theme. Because there was no one shop that you could go and pick up anything that you required. And as a result, we got to you Party Hunters. Party Hunters is a one-stop shop which has maybe more than 5,000 products with you, which can convert any space into a theme space. So whether it is the accessories or any add-ons or just picking up stuff to get themed to your house, we have it all. When I say add-ons, you could even look, we would provide you with maybe a balloon sculpture who can convert normal balloons into beautiful sculptures for you to bring the same theme home. Whether it's personalized gifting from your return gifts to your games, we have it all. So you just need to come in, meet us, visit the store, get a feel of what it is, and understand what is the theme that interests you. And then we take it on from there. So Party Hunters awaits you, because we believe it's we who work and it's you who party. Hyderabadis are people who love to party, but like I said, they didn't have a place where they could go. So they went into the regular spaces again and again, and as a result got bored because you didn't have a theme. Say for example, now we are coming up with the Christmas season or the New Year season. What could you add in your own party that would make it more interesting? We have a wide range of glow products that you could add to your party. It could be earrings, it could be necklaces, it could be just short glasses. It could be simple things that would make your party more interesting. Another thing that can make it very interesting is a snow machine that we have. So just add it to your dance floor and it look like you're in a winter space. Our shop is coming up on road number 4. It's the lane opposite GVK Mall. You just need to go further down and it's on your left.